Hello everyone, let's go to the 57th example. Write a program that reads 10 integers and stores them in a vector. Next, print the largest and the smallest values in the vector. So let's go to the program and see what is happening here. First of all, you have to include the library stdio.age, which allows us to print messages on the screen. Here I am using the hashtag define to define a name and the amount that I want when I call this name. For in this case, I am using the number 10 as the example asks us to use a vector of 10 places. Going on, I am including 4 int variables for the vector, for the I, for the largest, and for the smallest. Here I am asking to you to enter 10 integers, but I will use %d max. If I change to 9 here, we'll print 9, 10, print 10. So this is the most useful. You can reuse the code for another examples. So moving on, here I have a for loop which will start with the I equal to 0 and will stop when the I is equal to the value max, as we already remember that in the place 9, as the 0 counts is the 10th place of the vector. And every time this for loop runs, the I will be increased, the value of I will be increased by 1. And this scanf will storage the value that you type on your keyboard on the vector in the place 0 at the first time, and will keep running until the value of I is equal to 10 on this case. So here I am initializing the value of this largest as the first position of the vector and the smallest as the first position of the vector. Here I have the same conditions for the for, and those are the keys for this program. So let's check. If the largest value is lower to the value in the place 0, for example, at the first time, the largest value will be equal to the vector I. So, for example, in the first place, the largest value is 10. The value storage in the place 0 is 10. And the value storage in the place 1 is what I am checking on this program. I can initialize with 1 here, that will work well too. But I will use 0 to check out the vector. So if the number, for example, here is 10 and the next number is 11, this conditional is true. So the largest value will be the 11, the next one. And if the smallest value is bigger to the next value, the smallest has to be the next one. So for example, the smallest value is 10 and the next value is 9, then the smallest value is obvious the 9. So here I am using this knowledge, this way of thinking to make this program work, this script work. So this printf will print the largest value in the vector, and in this printf will print the smallest value in the vector. So let's go to the terminal and see what is happening here. For example, 12, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 0, -1, 10, 2. So as you can see, the largest value is 12 and the smallest value is -1. As you can see in this list of numbers, the largest value is 12 and the smallest value is -1. So thank you for your attention. Link for the script is on the video description, and subscribe for regular content.